Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix achievement not showing on your Instagram account. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone. And to get the achievement menu, we need to go to the Instagram setting and activity. So I'm going to bring you there. I'm going to open up the Instagram setting and activity. I'm going to tap on my profile. Oops, sorry. Okay, and then we can click on these three lines on the top right. And then we're going to find the achievement menu here. But as you can see, that there is no achievement menu or option. And I'm going to show you how we can get the achievement menu for our Instagram. And actually guys, if we want to get the achievement menu, we need to switch our account from personal to professional, and my account is still in the personal mode, so I need to turn my account into professional account. If we want to do that, we can go to the account type and tools here. Okay, and then I'm going to click on switch to professional account. All right, and then I'm gonna click on next. Okay, then we need to choose what best describe us. I'm going to choose digital creator and click on switch to professional account. Okay, and you can choose either creator or business. I'm gonna select creator and click on next. Okay, and I'm just going to skip this step. And I'm going to close this menu because I want to set up my professional account later. And then guys, if we have turned our account into professional account, we'll get the professional dashboard here. And then I'm going to tap on this menu. Okay, and here we will get our achievement on Instagram. So as you can see, this is my total views, interaction, new followers, and also content I shared. Okay, and then I'm going to check it here again in the setting and activity. Okay, and then we can tap on insight. Okay, and this is the overview of my insight. Okay, basically you just need to explore the insight to get your achievement on Instagram. Okay guys, that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.